Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something very amazing. We are going to build our second Python project. Yes. So the the project name is Perfect Guess. What is the game is about? This is all about uh, we have to guess a number, okay, and we are importing random so that a random number is chosen by the computer. We have to guess the number. If we set if we if our number is lower than the guess number, then it will print lower. Then we have to tra- then we have to enter another number. In the same way, this game we can play. See, first of all, let's have a look on the game. I will show you by running. Then we will look the code, how to write the code. So welcome to the perfect guess game. You have to guess any number in the range of 1 to 100. So I'm guessing 66. Okay, enter. So higher number please. I'm guessing 79. Higher. Okay, 89. Lower. Okay, 85. Higher. 88. 87. Oh my god. In the total 5 attempts, I have completed the game. So this is how the game is. See, let me explain you the code. So first of all, I import random so that I can get the random input from the computer. And I initialize attempt variable with 0 and taking random input from the computer outside the function. Why? If I take this inside, so it will repeat again and again. The random input will be changed. Okay, so that I initialize it outside the function. So inside the function is guess num, and I call the function from here, and this is how this line will execute. Then this function call, and after the function calls, the block of this function will be executed. See how? So I made these variable global. So I have to write this here to use them in my function. Now I am taking user input. Okay, if my guess is greater than the the random number, the guess number, so it will print lower number please, and attempt will increase 1. Now attempt was 0, and now attempt will increase by 1, and again it will call to the what, again to the call to the guess number. Okay, if guess number was lower than num, then what, then print higher number please, and attempt will increase by 1. Then again call to the function. If Aleph, Aleph, sorry. If guess equal to num, then what will be happen? Print congratulations, you have guessed the right number, and the number is this in the attempt. Okay, in number of attempts you have guessed the right number. So this is how the code is very easy, and you can guys try this project. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.